Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm here to do a bit of an unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is no inexpensive, phone. This is, according to Bell, this is $3,000. Now, they have a special on right now where you can actually get it in 512 gigabytes, so half terabyte phone for 3,000 bucks. But I mean, hey, on a plan, it's zero down. You just pay 40 bucks a month. So, but I mean, this is a foldable phone. This is not any small, technical minor features. So this is a big deal. Let's take a look at this. I've never done a foldable phone in the past, so this is going to be a new one for me. So, well, I guess this is upside down or something. Let's see. Anything in here? What's in here? Oh, there's the SIM ejector tool. There's a cord in here. Okay, there's the USB-C cord. Okay, there's not much else in there. Neat. All right, what else we got in here? Because I think that's going to be it for this. There's no wall wart charger, nothing. This is it. But here we go. This is the device. So this is the way it works. Yeah. We have a screen here, and it folds over, as you've probably all seen it before already. Just to give you an idea, it's like a 7.6-inch screen versus a 6.2-inch screen. So kind of you get best of both worlds. A slightly smaller screen, huge screen. There's my Pixel 6 up against it. So it's big. Let's see what happens here. Let's try this out. Let's see if we power it on. Maybe I should have made sure it had some juice in it. Come on. I want to make sure I take these off without ripping anything if I can. Alrighty. Okay, so first, there is that divide line. There it is, for sure. But what else we got on here? So power button. That's volume rocker. Is that a your fingerprint sensor or something? I can't remember. Okay, well, what else we got? Charger in the bottom. SIM tray there. It's a 50 megapixel camera, 10 megapixel camera, and I think a telephoto camera. But we can close it up like that. That's pretty cool. That's pretty thick too. Again, just to give you an idea how thick that is. It's like a phone, thicker than a phone with a case already, and no case to really protect it. So I wonder how you're going to protect this thing. What is the option? Can you protect it? All right, well, let's turn it on. Let's see what it looks like. There we go. Power, juice. Cool. I'm just going to grab a charger for it just in case. I don't know what the battery level's at. And everybody always keeps talking about how they see the line. And I can see how they say you see the line and then you don't. And then you see the line and you don't. So that's pretty cool. Like, that's a huge. What happens if I close this up? There, look at that. It's a tall boy. Or it's a wide boy. Well, I am going to have to play with this for some time to get used to it and see if I can't find a use case for it. What do you think about foldable phones? This is the fourth in its generation. What do you think? Novelty or not? Right. Leave your comments below. We'll talk soon. Thanks.